Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA, and today I want to show you how to get up and running with the Esso Osaka sample case in Shipmo 3D. After downloading and extracting, you'll find you have the Esso Osaka folder with a bunch of extra additional project information already set up. In Shipmo 3D, we go File and Open Project. Pick the Esso Osaka Shipmo 3D project file. Like the generic frigate project file, we'll have to go through each of the project data that's already set up and make sure it's associated with the actual file location on the hard drive. This is because Shipmo 3D is really fastidious about keeping track of all the information used for the hydrodynamics calculations for each project. Okay, the first thing we need to do is go add existing data and panel hull. There's a panel hull file available already. And you can see these warning messages that come up just say it can't find the existing panel hull files because it's saving the absolute file path locations. So we go Browse, pick the actual patch hull file that we want to use. And we'll just skip past the ship information that's already been set. This is a 325 meter ship, for example. That's all been set already. And click on Run. It's going to generate the panels for the potential flow calculation that we'll need in the next step for the radiation and diffraction calculations. Panel hull successfully completed. So we can go plot panel hull now. And you can see there's the Esso Osaka hull lines, or the hull mesh, sorry, show panel outlines. The next step is to go add existing data. We'll add the existing RadDiff project. Scroll down here. We need to add the brand new wet panel hull file we just calculated with panel hull. Go OK. We'll leave these settings the same. And we're going to do radiation and diffraction calculations together. There'll be another video tutorial looking at this in a little bit more detail. This will take some time, so we're going to hit save and we'll come back to this soon. Okay, the radiation and diffraction calculations are completed for the Esso Osaka. So we'll just click on OK here. Save this particular project. Next, we need to go to add the existing data and build ship. We need to select the radiation and diffraction database file we just calculated already. We'll leave all the settings as they've already been configured here, but you can see there's a few properties, the rudder and propeller that are added. Then we go save and run to go through the calculations to finalize the construction of the ship model. And we're completed. So if we plot the ship here, this just has the wet hull only. Because we're just going to do a maneuvering simulation, and you can see there's the rudder in the back. Okay, now we'll go to, it's time to do the time domain maneuvering simulation. So now we want to add FREMO. This is existing data. FREMO, this is for doing the maneuvering simulation. You can see there's some information here describing a little bit about what's happening. It's doing a turn circle at 10 knots forward speed. We'll have to add the ship motion file produced by the build ship. maneuver commands. Here you can see there is a set rotor deflect to 35 degrees. And the total time domain simulation time is going to be 2,000 seconds. There's basic plotting options here as well. So we'll save this and go run. It's a very fast simulation to run. 2,000 seconds is already completed. Now you can view some basic outputs like plotting the trajectory of the ship. And there you go. There's the turning circle for the Esso Osaka. That's a basic maneuvering simulation in Shipmo 3D using the time domain tool Fremo. Thanks for watching.